Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations. You're doing another unboxing today. So as you can see here, I have two Raspberry Pi Zero Ws that we recently opened. This one here is from a Micro Center in Detroit, Michigan. And then we just went to the VEX IQ Worlds competition in Dallas, and we were able to pick up another Raspberry Pi Zero W because they did have a single one in stock buried in a drawer. No one knew it was there, but I saw their online stock said it had one. We found it, and now I have two Raspberry Pi Zero Ws for fun projects over the summer. While I was there, I decided to look a little bit more into something recently I saw on Adafruit. That's a Raspberry Pi Debug probe. For as low cost as it was, I figured it would be certainly beneficial just to grab on that and see what we can do with it. So without further ado, let's open this guy up. So as you can tell, pretty low price unit. It's pretty basic. There's not a whole lot to it, but it does give you some fun capability if you would like to use that. The very first thing that I see here on the box is we have three types of debug cables included for flexibility connectivity. Okay, so we have a 3-pin debug to 3-pin debug, 3-pin debug to 0.1 jumper male, and the same thing for jumper female. And we have transmit SC, ground, RX, and SD. Okay, open that guy up. We'll be doing a little bit of explanation video once I actually start putting this into use so everybody can see what that is. So the actual unit itself is sitting right here on top. So this is what the debug probe itself actually looks like. We have these two interfaces here, a singular interface here. This is that USB plug. So we have the capability of plugging in a lot of different types of things there. Quite small, as you can tell. It's not even the size of my thumb. Certainly compact. Nothing else left here. And then here are the interface lines. So first we have that USB. And then what was mentioned previously on that little booklet is you have the interface with male. Then you have the interface with female. And then simply interface to interface. So that certainly gives you some flexibility there where you're working with this Raspberry Pi debug kit. And again, it just notices that we have that interface to interface, 2 male and 2 female. So there's certainly a couple different options there. A lot of fun stuff that you can do with this probe if you're trying to analyze something or just doing a little bit of debugging as to what might be going on. This gives you some insight into what's going on so you can fix your issues. Again, my name is Chris with Elevations. As always, I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.